Good morning. How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? How do you do? Hello, good day. Now that we're together, learning so much fun, the more of us, the better. So come on, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, children. How are you today? I'm Miss Rubina and welcome to my classroom. Let's begin with circle time. Let's start with the days of the week. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now say along with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Well done. Now tell me, what day is it today? Yesterday was Wednesday, so today is Thursday. Today is Thursday all day long. Today is Thursday. Now let's see the letter of the week. Letter of the week is letter D. This is uppercase letter D. This is lowercase letter d. Letter D makes the sound D. Letter D makes the sound D. Now let's see the number of the week. Number of the week is number 4. Number of the week is number 4. Now let's see the sight word. Sight word is. Sight word is. Repeat after me. Is. Now let's see the color of the week. Color of the week is green. Color of the week is green. Green is a secondary color. We get green color by mixing two colors, yellow and blue. Now let's see the pictures. Green avocado, green Christmas tree, green peas, green leaf, green caterpillar, green grapes, green tortoise. Now say along with me. Green avocado, green Christmas tree, green peas, green leaf, green caterpillar, green grapes, green tortoise. Well done. Now let's see the shape of the week. Shape of the week is rectangle. Shape of the week is rectangle. A rectangle is also a four-sided shape like square. But in rectangle, two sides are long and two sides are short. Now let's see the pictures. Rectangle shaped door, rectangle shaped television screen, rectangle shaped board, rectangle shaped cell phone, rectangle shaped cupboard, rectangle shaped notebook. Now say along with me. Rectangle shaped door, rectangle shaped television screen, rectangle shaped board, rectangle shaped cell phone, rectangle shaped cupboard, rectangle shaped notebook. Well done. So now it's time to say the sounds of letters A, B, C, D. Let's start. This is uppercase letter A. This is lowercase letter A. Letter A makes the sound A. Letter A makes the sound A. Repeat after me. A. This is uppercase letter B. This is lowercase letter B. Letter B makes the sound B. Letter B makes the sound B. Repeat after me. B. This is uppercase letter C. This is lowercase letter C. Letter C makes the sound K. Letter C makes the sound K. Repeat after me. K. This is uppercase letter D. This is lowercase letter D. Letter D makes the sound D. Letter D makes the sound D. Repeat after me. D. Now it's time to count 1 to 10. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. So children, today is Thursday and in today's art and craft session, we are going to make a watermelon slice and a pineapple. Let's start.
To make the watermelon slice, we need 3 circles: green, white and red. White circle is little smaller than the green circle and red circle is little smaller than the white one. Now let's start. First we are going to apply little glue on the green circle and stick the white circle over it. Like this. Now we are going to apply little glue on the red circle and stick it over the white circle. Stick it nicely like this. It's done. Now it's time to draw the seeds of the watermelon. I'm using my brown sketch pen to draw the seeds. Watermelon has many seeds, so I'm going to draw many seeds. I'm drawing the seeds only on the red circle. Now I'm going to fold it like this. It's done. It can also be used as a greeting card. Take the help of your mummy or daddy to make this card and to write a message inside. It's easy to make. I hope you liked it. So now we are going to do pineapple craft activity. For this, I'm using the picture of a pineapple. Now to make the bumps, I'm using small yellow paper strips. I will apply little glue like this and roll them to make rings. Like this. So this is how we are going to make the rings. We need many such rings to do this activity. Now before I stick the bumps, I am using a dark green sketch pen to color the crown. It's done. Now I'm going to apply little glue on the pineapple to stick the bumps. Like this. Now I'm sticking the bumps, the yellow rings that I made on the pineapple. Like this. It's done. I also drew some V pattern on the bumps for the spikes. So today we made two fruits, pineapple and watermelon slice.
I hope you liked today's video and enjoyed doing the art and craft activity. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until then, goodbye.